Hey, it's Kiana, and I'm going to show you two different ways to crimp your hair. The first way is with a flat iron. Well, it's actually three ways. The first one is with the flat iron, where you take, let's see if this turns out right. You take a piece of hair, hold on, let me flatten mine out, and take your flat iron and you go up and then down and then up and pull, down, pull, up, pull, down, pull, up, pull, down, pull, up, pull, down, pull. And so this is, bad idea to wear a black shirt. This is what it should look like. And so for the second one, what you do before you go to bed, you can put something on your hair before you do this. On the bottom, I put the Thermal Creations straightening gel. It works really good. It's like a heat protectant. And then I sprayed some stuff from my braids in it because I couldn't find anything else to spray. So I just did that. And hold on 1 second, I had to fix that. It's getting on my nerves. And so I just slept with it like this, and I took it out, and it ended up like this. Fabulous, isn't it? And then for the third one, what you do is you take your hair and you braid it, like so. It's a pretty braid. Pretty, pretty braid. But you take it and you braid it, and when you're done braiding it, you put something on the end. I put on a rubber band because I couldn't find anything else that wasn't too big. So I did that, and what you're gonna do is you take your flat iron and you clamp down on the braid, and you just go down like you're flat ironing your hair, but you go kind of slow. And once you get to the thing that's holding the rubber band, you stop. The thing that's holding the braid. Wow. You stop. You open the flat iron, and then you go to the end. I'm gonna do that again. So usually I do it about twice, but it depends on the flat iron that I'm using. So you just take it and you flat iron it. Once you get here, you open it and go to the end. And when you're braiding, you want to go all the way down to the end as far as you can, because if you don't, it will not look very good. It'll look like this. It'll just look straight, but I kind of crimped mine, not enough, but I tried. And so you're gonna let that cool. What I do to make it cool faster is I put the curl activator on it. You've seen me use this before. Well, some of you have. But I take it and I spray it to speed up the process. But it's only one braid, so I'm pretty fine. And once it feels kind of cooled off, wiggle it around, Once it feels kind of cooled off, hold on 1 second, you take the rubber band off. And you just unbraid it. And ouch. Once you're done, you should come out with something like this. And what you can do is you can take like one of these brushes or something, and you just brush it out lightly. You do not want to use a small toothed comb like a rat tail comb unless it is wide like this, because it will start to make your hair frizzy and it'll get fluffy and big like this. and that is not very cute unless you like it like that, then go ahead, wear it like that if you want to. It's up to you. So that's pretty much it. So that was 3 ways to curl your hair, to crimp your hair. One is heatless, and the other 2 are not. So that's it. Bye, guys. Oh, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And you can also request videos if you need to. Bye.